Welcome. This is an 8-minute yoga full body stretch for muscle soreness. As always, feel free to skip any poses or modify if and when needed. Let's begin seated in any comfortable position, just circling the wrists, feeling out all the clicks and ticks. Going opposite direction. Great. Wherever you are, we'll come into a tabletop pose, tucking the toes, and then just reaching the hands forward, taking the forehead to the mat, if that feels okay today. Softening the body with each exhale. Great. We'll gently come into our tabletop pose, shake out the toes. Inhale, dropping the belly, take your gaze up. Exhale, rounding through the spine, take your gaze down. Continue singing breath with movement, flowing at your own pace. Great. Whenever you're ready, we'll come all the way down to our bellies, resting on the forearms, palms face down. Engage the core, pressing into the tops of the feet. Lifting through the sternum. Staying here, begin to gaze over one shoulder and then over the other. Option to stay right here or take it a little deeper by resting your head down, bending the left leg, and option to grab the left foot to draw that heel towards the hip. Maybe creating space with each exhale. With time, you notice that heel getting closer to the hip. Perfect. We'll gently release, switching sides, working with the breath here. Great. Gently release, pressing into the hands, drawing the hips towards the heels, forehead or cheek to the mat for child's pose. You can have the knees wide here. Option to modify, placing pillows between the hips and heels and underneath the torso for added height and support. Softening the body with each exhale, creating space with each inhale. Gently release, tucking the toes, sending the hips up for down dog. Option to bend the knees here. Maybe walking your dog, bending one knee, bend the other. And we'll begin to walk the hands towards the feet, keeping the knees bent. Maybe grabbing opposite elbows as the thighs support your torso here. Maybe rocking the head yes and no. Inhale, rounding up one vertebrae at a time. Take your time here as you come up to standing. We'll begin to sway the arms gently side to side. Just be silly here. Great, we'll slow our sway. Inhale the hands up overhead. Exhale, release them back down. Inhale, reach. Exhale, release. Inhale, reach one more time, big breath. Exhale, heart center. Know that you are worthy of this time, and this space is here for you anytime that you need. Thank you for joining. If you enjoyed this video, please like it below and subscribe. Turn the bell notification on and set it to all so you don't miss any new classes like this one. Today's question is all about your new year goals. What is something wellness or health-wise that you are looking to take on for the new year? Maybe to create a healthy habit, whether it's meditation, maybe it is being mindful about how you speak to others, whatever it is. Let me know in the comments below. I appreciate you sharing your time here with me.